So the question is, a satellite is launched in a direction parallel to the surface of Earth with velocity of 3700 km per hour from an altitude of 500 km. Determine the maximum altitude reached by the satellite and the periodic time of satellite. So this is the Earth, and this satellite is launched by a point A through a point A, and the distance between Earth's surface and this point A is 500 kilometer, which is given, and the satellite was reached as at a point B, and we have to find the maximum altitude reached by the satellite, that is the distance between point B and the surface of the Earth, and the periodic time of this satellite. So for solution, to solve this type question, we have one question, that is 1 by r is equal to gm by h square plus c cos theta. So by using this equation, we solve this problem, and here h is a r naught b naught. So for solution, given velocity at point A, that is v naught is equal to 3700 km per hour. So changing into meter per second into 1000 upon 3600. So this is 3700 0 divided by 3600. So this is 10277.77 meter per second. So this is 1.027 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. Now r naught is a distance between center of Earth to the point A. So r naught is 500 plus 6370 kilometer, 6870 km. So this is 6870 into 10 to the power 3 meter. So this is 6.870 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now we know h is equal to r naught b naught. So r naught is 1.07277 into 10 to the power 4 into 6.870 into 10 to the power 6. So this is 1.0277 into 6.87. So it is 7.06 into 10 to the power 10 meter square per second, and gm is equal to gr square, because g is equal to gm by r square. So gm is equal to gr square. It's make calculation easy. So g is a 9.81 into r is a 6.370 into 10 to the power 3 whole square. So this is 6. So this is 9.81 into 6.370 whole square. So it is 3.98 into 10 to the power 14. This is meter square. So meter cube per second square. Now we have a 1 by r is equal to gm h square plus c cos theta. So at point A, cos theta is equal to 0 degree. So this implies cos theta is equal to 1. So 1 by r is, and r is r naught. So 1 by r naught is equal to gm by h square plus c. So this is equation number 1. And let the distance between the point B and the center of the earth is r1. Then at point B, theta is equal to pi. So this implies cos theta is cos pi is equal to -1. So cos theta is equal to -1. So 1 by, and r is equal to r1. So 1 by r1 is equal to gm by h square minus c. So this is equation number 1. Now adding equation number 1 and 2, we get 1 by r naught plus 1 by r1 is equal to 2 gm upon h square. So c. So this is the equation number 2. Or 1 upon r naught is 6.870 into 10 to the power 6 plus 1 by r1 is equal to gm is 3.98 into 10 to the power 14 upon h is 7.06 into 10 to the power 10 whole square into 2, or 1 by r1 is this is 3.98 into 2. So 7.96 into 10 to the power 14 upon this is 7.06 whole square. So this is 49.8436 into 10 to the power 20 minus 1 by 6.870 into 10 to the power 6. So 1 by r1 is equal to, now this is 7.96 divided by 49.8436. So this is 0.15969 into 10 to the power 20 minus 14 minus 1 upon 6.87 into 10 to the power 6. So this is 0.15969 into 10 to the power 6 minus 6, sorry, minus 1 divided by 6.87. So this is 0.1455 into 10 to the power minus 6, or 1 by r1 is equal to 0.15969 minus 0.1455. So this is 0.01419 into 10 to the power minus 6. So r1 is equal to 1 upon 0.01419 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this is 1 divided by answer 70.4721 into 10 to the power 6. So this is 70472 kilometer. Now we have to find the maximum altitude reached by the satellite. So maximum altitude reached by this satellite is equal to r naught minus the radius of earth. So this is 70472.21 minus 6370. So this is 64102.16 kilometer. So this is the required answer for question number A, and in question number B we have to find the periodic time of satellite. Periodic time of satellite. This is denoted by tau. So tau is a area of conic section divided by areal velocity. And the conic section, in case of this question, conic section is ellipse. So this is area of ellipse upon the areal velocity AB. So area of ellipse is pi AB, and area velocity is h by 2. So this is 2 pi AB by h upon 2. So in case of ellipse, A is given by r naught plus r1 upon 2, and B is given by root under r1 r naught. So A is equal to r naught is 6.870 into 10 to the power 6 plus r1 is 70.4721 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2. So this is 6.87 plus 70.4721. So this is 77.3421 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2. So this is 38.67105 into 10 to the power 6, and B is equal to root under 6.870 into 10 to the power 6 into 70.4721 into 10 to the power 6. So this is into 70.4721 render answer. So this is 22.003 into 10 to the power 6. Now periodic time tau is equal to pi AB 2 pi AB by h. So 2 pi into a is 38.67105 into 10 to the power 6 into b is 22.003 into 10 to the power 6 upon h is 7.06 into 10 to the power 10. 7.06 into 10 to the power 10. So this is 2 pi into 38.67105 into 22.003 and divided by 7.06. So this is 757.25 into 10 to the power, this is 12 minus 2, so 2. So this is 75725. This is second. So converting into hour, 75725 divided by 3600. So this is 21.03 hours. So this is the required periodic time periods. So that's why we calculated the maximum altitude reached by the satellite and the periodic time of the satellite. In this question also asks to find the eccentricity of conic section. So in case of eccentricity, for the eccentricity, same formula is used, that is 1 by r is equal to gm by h square plus c cos. From conic section we know in polar coordinate r is equal to l by 1 plus e cos theta. So 1 by r is equal to 1 by l plus e by l cos theta. Now comparing these two equation, we get l is equal to h square upon gm and e by l is equal to c. So e is equal to cl. So this implies e is equal to c h square upon gm. So simply finding value of c in equation I or I, and we can calculate the eccentricity of this conic section. So this is the probable question for this type question.